Justin with Access Unlimited, and today I'm going to talk to you about the PIT and Glide and Go combination in a 2017 to 2024, which is the current model, Chrysler Pacifica. So we'll get right into this. This is one of our Easy-Stow products. It's a PIT. It's got multiple pickup devices, and I'll get into those later, but first I'm going to show you how everything works. So since we've got a Glide and Go in here as well, we have a controller that combines the two into one controller. You got your Glide and Go functions here and your PIT functions here. So there's a button here too. If you press that button, it turns on or off the power to the controller. So like right now it's off, I can't do anything. If I hit that button, it then works. So what this does is, if you've got a wheelchair here, you can run this out, run it down. This device will dock onto the wheelchair, and we have many different docking devices. It'll pick the chair up, and there's also several videos that include how the different chairs do load into the vehicle. You bring that up, and then it'll pull the chair right in. You may need to guide the chair a little bit, sometimes depending on the size of the chair and all the different characteristics. So then I'll bring it back out here real quick, show you the disassembly here if you needed to. So with this loaded, you wouldn't want you wouldn't want to be driving and have someone in the seat directly behind this while it's all the way over there, due to accidents and concerns like that. So if you ever had to disassemble this, you got a couple Allen keys here. You pop that off. There's a quick disconnect right here, and here. You have a power disconnect there. And then you have quick disconnects here with a wire disconnect there. And they're just wing nuts. You can unscrew them. If for some reason you have to take that out, it gives you some functionality back if you need to. I'm going to run this in. All the emergency release parts are marked in red. So then we've got an emergency release tool for the motor down there in case it has to be disengaged and slid. So then I'm going to show you here some of this stuff. So then the track here is, we have the track set up specifically to maximize any leg room on this side, because again, you wouldn't want someone sitting on that side. However, if you had to remove that, that would also give you some options back. So then these are all bolted right, the track is bolted right onto these brackets. And again, those are going right to the seat bolts, the factory seat bolts. No drilling, no permanent modifications. Alright, so again, like I had mentioned earlier about the different pickup devices, show you this one. So this one in particular goes to a manual wheelchair, a folding wheelchair. You'd fold it up and then it clips onto it, and then we'll pick it up. Then we've also got this one for a rigid chair. And these are only two out of the many pickup devices that we do have. So this will attach to the exact same strap right here. And you can just change those out depending on which chair you've got. Now, there is some limitations to the amount that this can pick up. This won't pick up a power scooter or anything like that. It's mostly rigid wheelchairs and folding manual chairs. So let's talk about the Glide and Go next. So for the Glide and Go, you have an ultra slim seat. You have your handle right here. When you're using the Glide and Go and transferring in and out of the vehicle, always use this handle. That can take a lot of pressure, a lot of weight. So this doesn't affect the buttons. The plastic that I was talking about that had to be removed earlier is this piece right here. Normally there's a plastic cover right there. You'll see our bar running through there now. And you'll see this comes right up, actually slightly above the seat height. So if you got to do a downward transfer, you can do that. Then comes all the way down there, which is lower than most of your standard wheelchairs. So again, you can do a downward transfer. Now, if for some reason you have to do level or even upwards, you can just simply bring it up a little bit or down to whatever you need. So now this also, no permanent modifications to the vehicle. If you ever wanted to return it back to factory, you could simply take the units out, put the plastic right back in, and it's as if it never happened. So that is pretty much it for this. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we'd be happy to answer them for you. Thanks.